spokesperson and someone who focuses on the economic activities when it comes to
a finance professor at XLRI.
That's right. So he's someone who's well tuned to financial affairs. You might have heard Mr. Gadkari there saying, Gaurav, that we are on our way to be building a super economy. Today was a speech, according to Sanjeev Sanyal, that will be remembered like the 1991 speeches. How do you respond? Do you believe that the Prime Minister has given a big direction to converting crisis into an opportunity? Or do you believe that there is, until the details are known, we cannot celebrate in any way?
Rajdeep, giving any comment right now is not the right thing. I don't want to do that thing. But unfortunately, what happened that the packet of the product had arrived before the product. So we had not seen the product. The packet of the product is there, that 20 lakh crore. And there are many questions which I don't want to raise because the detailing, because as we say in English that the devil lies in the detailing. So I had 2-3 issues, like the budget of this year was 30 lakh crore. So how much, what component of the budget is included in this 20 lakh crore? Number one. Number two, RBI, whenever RBI gives some help or package or stimulus, that is in the form of liquidity. That is not in the form of cash transfer. Like I issued a bond, you purchased a bond, then I redeemed it back. So it is not a package, it is a liquidity measure. So how much is that liquidity measure in that? The third is the government guarantees, that government is giving guarantee that to the bank that if you are going to lend this amount, I am going to give guarantee. Is that a part of this package? And last but not the least, how much is the direct transfer in this package to Jan Dhan account, to PM Kisan account, to pensioners account?
Is that where you, Gaurav Ballabh, let's be clear, Rahul Gandhi ahead of the Prime Minister's speech said that he would like the Prime Minister to announce that direct cash transfer of 7,500 to the weak and most vulnerable. If the Prime Minister, presumably 20 lakh crore is such a large amount that it certainly can include the 7,500. Raghuram Rajan claims it just comes to 65,000 crores if you give 7,500 to the weak and most vulnerable. We can dispute that figure, but either way, it is just a fraction of 20 lakh crores. So to that extent, the Prime Minister seems to be giving a big, a bonanza.
Rajdeep, as I told, it's not a right time to comment because I don't know how much is because it may be possible that the entire package is the part of the budget. It may be possible it's a liquidity exercise to the bank. It may be possible it's in the form of guarantee. So I don't want to comment anything until and unless I'm not having the final.
Right. You made an important point which RP Singh of the BJP should respond. The Prime Minister has not told us what the product is, but he's given us the packaging. What is the product, the end product? Should the country not have been told today? Why should I wait till tomorrow? By doing this, you're keeping the suspense going. You'll get a headline tomorrow. But this is not about headline management. This is about detailing. Even as we speak, hundreds and thousands of migrant labor, RP Singh, are walking back to their villages. They are paying 700 rupees for a train ticket. So the 20 lakh crore is meaningless to them unless they get cash in their pockets.
Rajdeep, at times you should come out of that cliche of headlines. I mean, because you always compare to the headline tomorrow. The PM, every time PM says something or other.
Because there are no details. Where are the details?
So please, I never interrupted.
I only see headlines. Where are the details, sir?
Can I, sir? Please.
Yes. Please
Thank
go
you so much, sir. And I just some time back, giving a seminar, I told you how many people are really migrating from one place to other place. Although I appreciate your concern, and I am also concerned, and so is the government concerned, that people migrating, but the percentage, if you work out a percentage, it will be very less. But yes, it is a concern. But as for PM declaring the complete package, that's the detailing has to come to the finance minister. And then he said it's not going to come in a one go.
So you had 7 weeks to do this. You had 7 weeks. Sir, why should I wait till the final? By now, with the package should have been made available, don't you think?
Sir, till yesterday you were saying, where is package? Where is package?
I'm still asking. I'm still asking, where is the package?
The package has been announced by the Prime Minister, and you should not challenge something announcement by the Prime Minister. Please don't do that. Announcement by the Prime Minister. He is the honourable Prime Minister and a man who has stood by his commitment and a man who is taking care of 135 crore people. I mean, so wait for tomorrow and wait for a day after tomorrow and wait a day after there, because it is a package should come at stages,
right,
for various segments. So let's wait for that and let's not jump.
Sure.
for conclusion.
Gaurav Ballabh, important point being made by RP Singh and other BJP leaders that this is a marathon. You see, to fight corona is not an overnight fix. To repair the economy is not an overnight fix. This is over stages. Today, the Prime Minister has set the broad contours of what is expected in the months ahead.
So that's what I'm telling. I don't want to comment if I'm not having any details about that. But I want to share one example.
No, your party has already commented. Your party has already gone ahead and said, where is the empathy for migrant workers?
I'm coming to that. See, I just want to make one statement that as a teacher, I fondly remembered what Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi mentioned when he was asked about the rating of the Modi government. He told, copy mein kuch likha hi nahi, main number kahan do? The same had happened today. The copy is khali, only the name of the student is written and the subject is written, Arthik Package 2, 20 lakh crore. This is the subject. Name is written, but copy is khali.
Okay. So,
what reaction
I've just received the first research report. This is from the State Bank of India. This comes from Soumya Kanti Ghosh, who's the Chief Economic Advisor. And I'll take our viewers through this because this is important. It tells you what all is already taken care of, part of what the government announced previously and the RBI has announced, and what is fresh. So this is important. Listen carefully. The Prime Minister has announced a 20 trillion rupee stimulus package, which includes measures already taken by the RBI and the central government. The package that was announced earlier was 1.7 trillion. That's about 0.8% of the GDP. The announcements made by the RBI for liquidity support measures add up to 6.5 trillion rupees, which is about 3.2%. So out of the 10%, 3.2 the RBI has already taken care of through the CRR changes, the changes that the RBI has announced and the support that they announced to mutual funds. So the incremental measures, according to the State Bank of India's chief economist, will add to about 5% of the GDP, 10 trillion rupees. That's the SBI's assessment, which will include further support from the RBI in the form of loan guarantees, all of which could amplify the package while keeping actual cash flow contained. The package may be spread over 1 or 2 years time frame, according to the SBI. As a case in point, the actual incremental expenditure from the 1.7 trillion rupee stimulus package was announced earlier, the incremental expenditure, and that's crucial because that's what you're spending extra over beyond what you already announced, is upon 0.65 trillion rupees. So 5% of the GDP package, according to the SBI, and we take that very seriously, is already accounted from, Rajdeep, in what the government announced previously and what the RBI announced. So 5% is fresh.
Sure, but even if it's 5%, if it adds to 10, that's fairly substantial.
Sure.
So there is no doubt that if this package is actually implemented on the ground in the manner that the Prime Minister has given the headline point, then it becomes a substantial package. But the weakness, I come back to it, RP Singh, as of today, and we are only talking as of today because the Prime Minister has spoken today, is the lack of detailing. The fear is, and in the past also, if you remember, RP Singh, a major package was promised for Bihar of 1.65 lakh crores a few years ago. How much of that actually reached the people? You see, it's one thing to announce a package. It's then the importance is to implement it and make sure that the package is done in a manner that it actually revives the economy.
Well, as for the Bihar package, I appreciate you would ask this question in Nitish Kumar, and he'll give you appropriate answer for that. But as far as this package goes, and because he has given the detailing, I mean, he has given the complete contour and detailing in what form, what processes we are trying to adopt. And I see it taking it very further. I mean, that dream of 5 trillion economy, I mean, though it might seem difficult for you to reach out to level, but I see a way being charted for that with this package, and then which will be announced in probably next 3-4 days, which will be
right. Okay. I want to go across.